अच्छा रेडी ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ On 7th August of this month, on 7th August, we found pieces of human body parts in Korategere police station limits. So, on finding the body parts, immediately we reached to the spot and found that two hands and other muzzle and intestine parts were thrown at different places in Korategere police station limits. Immediately, we took a suo motu murder case and started investigating whose body parts are these. And when we verified the missing cases of recent time, we found that in Bellavi, one lady of similar expected age gone missing on 3rd of August. And when we verified the identity marks on the hands, and we had shown the family members. So family members partially identified it, and later on the next day, head of the deceased found, and on seeing the head, the deceased daughter and kids, family members identified the body, and based on that, we started our investigation. And when we followed through the victim's movement, we found that she got into one white color Brezza car. Based on the ownership of the Brezza car, we found who is the owner. And when we tracked him down, and he said that on the insistence of deceased son-in-law, so they killed her in the car in the presence of the doctor only. And after that, we also secured doctor, and all three accused sent to the jail were secured yesterday night, and they are going to be produced before magistrate today, and we will take police custody and we will do the further investigation. Thank you. Accused lady name is Lakshmi Devi, and accused name is three accused are involved. One Dr. Ramchandraya, and two Satish, and three Kiran. So all three are involved in the murder. So we will do the further investigation. So Satish and Ramchandra are good friends. Satish happened to be his old patient. So based on that relation, they got into this kind of crime. So motive behind murder, as of now, based on the preliminary versions of the accused, his mother-in-law is a bad character, and she is also diverting his wife into similar kind of behavior. So he wanted to avoid that, and he wanted to cut off his wife from his mother-in-law. So that's why he committed this offense. So in Korategere police station limits, in multiple places, body parts were found in plastic covers. So once we take the accused into custody, we will, on basis of his identity, we will check the further places where body has been thrown, parts of it. So on the further investigation, definitely we will. I congratulate my team. They did a wonderful job. They detected the case within 3 days. So I congratulate them, and I will definitely will issue a commendation certificates to them. So my team involved my both additional SPs, Mr. Gopal and Mr. Purushottam, and my team town subdivision Chandrasekhar and his team Avinash town inspector, and Madhugiri subdivision DSP Manjunath and his inspector Anil, and one more DSP who involved in this investigation, that Shekhar. And my special appreciation to my scene of crime officers who were instrumental in collecting the samples and sharing the data to FSL. Thank you very much.